Hello learners. Processing.run is a powerful method, allows you to automate and execute a wide range of geospatial processing tasks directly from Python scripts. Whether you are creating buffers, clipping layers, or performing spatial analysis, the processing.run method is your go-to tool. In this tutorial, you will explore how to use the processing.run method to execute QGIS processing algorithms with the practical examples and expanded applications. Introduction to processing.run. The processing.run method in PyQGIS allows you to execute QGIS processing algorithms using Python. It takes two main arguments. Number one, algorithm name, a string that specifies the name of the algorithm you want to run. Number two, parameters, a dictionary that contains the input parameters required by the algorithm. The method returns the output of the algorithm, which can be saved to a file or loaded directly into QGIS as a new layer. Basic example, creating a buffer. Let's start with a simple example, creating a buffer around a set of points. Step 1. Identify the path of the shapefile. URI equal my path. The shapefile is krg_cities.shp. Step 2. Use processing.run to create a buffer. Next, use the processing.run method to create a buffer around the points in the shapefile. Step 3. Load the results as a new layer. To automatically load the result into QGIS, use the processing.run and load results method. Processing.run and load results. Native. The method is buffer. Parameters input URI. We defined it. Distance 100. Buffer distance in map units. Segments 10. Number of segments to approximate the buffer. Resolve true. Resolve the result into a single feature. Int cap style or round in cap style. Join style or round join style. Meter limit 10. Meter limit for sharp corners. And the output file path. We can load the result into memory. Open QGIS. Open Python console. Open new editor. Copy this script. And paste it in the editor. URL. Processing.run and load the results. And parameters. We run the script. The buffer created and results loaded as a new layer. Expand the applications. Now that you understand the basics, let's explore some additional applications of the processing.run method. Application 1. Clipping layers. You can use the processing.run method to clip one layer using another layer as a mask. Starting with the clipping raster file. For clipping raster file, we use the following script. Import processing. Then define input files. Input layer. R for read the path, and the TIFF file is convert.tiff. Clip layer, R my path and Rania SHP. Output path, R my path, and we name it clip it underscore Landsat B4 band4.tiff. Now run the clip algorithm. Result equal processing.run. GDAL colon clip raster by mask layer, the method. Input, we defined input layer and mask clip layer. Source CRS projection. EPS G3238. Target CRS, the same projection. Output path. No data, none. Do not enforce no data. Data type O, keep original raster data type. Crop to headline equal true, ensure cropping happiness. We copy the script and paste it inside the editor. Run the script. The clipping performed successfully. It's the original band 4 of Landsat. And this is clipped Landsat band 4 for the study area, Rani district. In the next step, we're clipping vector layer. Starting with the define input and clip layers. Input layer is my path, roids.shp. Then clip layer equal my path boundary.shp. Run the clip algorithm, processing.run, native clip, input layer, overlay is clip layer, which is boundary, shapefile. The output is path, we name it clip underscore roids.shp. Copy the script and go to QGIS. Paste the script and run it. This is original roid shapefile, enable governorate, and the boundary. Then the output is clipped roids to the boundary. Application 2, intersecting layers. The intersection algorithm can be used to find the overlapping areas between two layers. For intersecting layers, we use this script. Define input layers. Layer 1, states.shp in the USA. Layer 2, my path, country.shp. Run the intersection algorithm, processing.run. Native is intersection. Input is layer 1 states. Overlay layer 2 country. Output is path. We name it intersection status underscore country.shp. Copy the script, paste it in the editor, then run the script. The intersection process is done successfully. It's country shapefile, and this one is status. Intersection states and country. Application 3, extracting vertices from geometries. You can extract vertices from polygon or line geometries using the native extract vertices algorithm. Define input layer. Input layer is path and reverse.shp. Run the extract vertices algorithm. Processing.run native extract vertices. Input is input layer reverse. Output my path. We name it reverse vertices. Copy the script and paste it inside the editor. We have the shapefile of rivers around the world. When we run the script, now with the river, we have vertices of the river.